Hello friends, welcome to my channel Teach Guru. Today we will talk about related to biochemistry. In biochemistry topic is glycolysis. Glycolysis is converted in two different phases. First one is preparative phase and second one is payoff phase. And we will know glucose is very important role in our body for energy production. Glucose very important role. So glucose is converted first of all glucose 6 phosphate and use one molecules of ATP, and first priming reaction is the first reaction is, and use say enzymes, hexokinase enzymes for first reaction are completed, and second one glucose 6 phosphate convert in fructose 6 phosphate and by fructose 6 phosphate by phosphohexose isomerase enzymes. These enzymes are very vital role for glucose 6 phosphate convert in fructose 6 phosphate, and then fructose 6 phosphate convert in fructose 1,6 phosphate by 1 ATP molecules are used, and phosphofructokinase enzymes are used, and the second one fructose 1,6 phosphate are convert in glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate and dihydroxyacetone phosphate. By this fructose 1,6 phosphate is 6 carbon. This all are glucose 6 carbon, glucose 6 phosphate is 6 carbon sugar, then fructose 6 phosphate is 6 carbon sugar, then fructose 1,6 phosphate is 6 carbon sugars. After in this reaction fructose 1,6 bis phosphate, this 6 carbon intermediates are converted in two different types of intermediates, glucose glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate and dihydroxyacetone phosphate. These two form are 3 carbon form. So these enzymes in this particular reaction are contain aldolase enzymes are very vital role for this form are produced. Then two different form glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate and dihydroxyacetone phosphate are then enter in payoff phase in glycolysis pathway, and these two types of form are proceed reaction. Similarly intermediates are produced. So intermediates are produced. So glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate and dihydroxyacetone phosphate both of are produce glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate. Two process continue to similarly produced in this type of all types of intermediates are produced. Okay, glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate produce convert in 1,3 bis phosphoglycerate, and this reaction are produced 2 molecules of NADH, because one molecule NADH is glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate and second one is dihydroxyacetone phosphate. So produce 2 NADH molecules, and this reaction called oxidation and phosphorylation. This reaction and use this the enzymes glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate dehydrogenase. These enzymes are very vital role for this reaction completed. 1,3 bis phosphoglycerate are convert in 3 phosphoglycerate and produce 1 molecules of ATP by glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate in pathway, and second ATP is produced dihydroxyacetone phosphate. So produce in 2 molecules of ATP. This one is the first ATP forming reaction, so it's called substrate level phosphorylation, and this reaction are completed by 7 numbers enzymes. Phosphoglycerate kinase enzymes are very vital role for this reaction completed. 3 phosphoglycerate are converted to phosphoglycerate by phosphoglycerate mutase enzymes. Okay, then 2 phosphoglycerate are converted in phosphoenol pyruvate and produce 2 molecules of H2O molecules, and by 9 endolase enzymes are very vital role for this reaction are completed. Then phosphoenol pyruvate are converted in pyruvate and 2 molecules of pyruvate, because 1 molecules pyruvate is glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate molecules in, and then second one is the dihydroxyacetone phosphate. So produce in 2 molecules of pyruvate, and this one is the second ATP forming reaction, because it's produced in second ATP in this form, and so called substrate level phosphorylation, and 1 molecules of ATP produced in glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate in pathway, and second ATP is produced by dihydroxyacetone phosphate pathway. So produced in last reaction in 2 ATP are produced, and this reaction are completed by pyruvate kinase enzyme. So net ATP are produced, four net ATP as produced, and one molecules of NADH are produced, but 2 ATP are used in this reaction. First one and third one reaction are use 2 ATP molecule. So net product of ATP is 2 and 1 NADH. And this reaction are contain 10 different types of enzymes, very vital role for this reaction: hexokinase, phosphohexose isomerase, phosphofructokinase 1, aldolase, triose phosphate isomerase, then glycerol 3 phosphate dehydrogenase, phosphate glycerate kinase, and phosphoglycerate mutase, and then indolase. Then after next is pyruvate kinase. So these types of enzymes are very vital role for this reaction are completed. And in middle I give the structure of this type of glucose structure and glucose 6-phosphate. Several types of structure are given in this video. So I hope you like this video. So you like my video, you subscribe my channel, and like, share and subscribe. Okay, thank you so much, my friends.